Hello, we are at the 2019 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, and I am on a boat. I am here with Andrew from Seakeeper. Would you introduce yourself to the folks and tell them a little bit about Seakeeper?
Yes, how you doing, Lisa? So my name is Andrew Semprevivo, President and CEO at Seakeeper. And as you said, we're lucky to be on a boat right now. And we're down here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show having fun.
I absolutely agree. So what is Seakeeper?
Seakeeper is a device that transforms the experience of being on a boat by removing boat roll and the anxiety and fatigue that goes with it.
Okay.
So on this boat we have our Seakeeper mounted actually decked underneath the leaning post here and reduces 95% of boat roll while at rest and while underway. And if you like, I can show it to you.
Yeah, okay. Well, we're gonna open this up right here, and there it is. So what are we looking at here?
So inside this white encapsulation, you have a spinning flywheel, which you spin at extremely high rates of speed. We do that because we have the vacuum so you can cut down the power draw. So in this unit, we spin 8,500 RPM.
Wow.
And essentially what happens is as the boat rolls, this naturally moves fore and aft, which you see happening now.
Right.
And in doing so, all of that torque is released onto the stringers and through the boat. So everyone looks at it and says, how does it do it? It's magic.
Magic.
And exactly how it works, not exactly sure, but it works really well. But there's nothing external of the boat, so no reduction in speed, no drag, no risk of snagging something.
Okay. So I mean, basically, it helps prevent us from feeling the waves that we're going over right now.
That's right. Even for a seasoned boater who's been out, once you're out, it transforms that experience, whether it's having a drink with family or trying to bait a hook, and especially for people that are not as seasoned at being on a boat, or they've been on a boat once and they never want to get back on again because they've had that poor experience.
Right.
This transforms it and makes it so everyone can enjoy boating.
Oh, well, that's awesome. All right, well, we are actually heading out, so you can join us on Facebook Live or check out MarineMax Leisure Boating for the Facebook Live. We're gonna test it out, so you'll definitely want to join us. See us online, and we'll see you soon. All right, thank you.